Now you've finished that pretty dense, heavy material about how your brain and memory works, we're now going to look at why we use visual images during speed reading. Now they say a picture's worth 1,000 words. Well, to be precise, it's worth 30,000, and that's per second. Now you're going to be surprised, but I'm going to show you exactly how in just 3 seconds. So, take a look at this picture and then list all the things you can remember from it. You'll be surprised, right, by how much you actually remember, and yet we only put that picture up for 3 seconds. Now what exactly happened was your limbic brain took in the colour, the emotions you felt, and the uniqueness of the images you saw in that picture. Now they say that you'd only remember 30% of what I'm telling you right now tomorrow. But if I add images, you remember a fantastic 60% by just adding visual images. So during speed reading, we need to make sure this is consistent. Whether you're listening to audiobooks or listening to YouTube videos, you need to make sure that you're constantly making visual images of the words you're hearing. Make this a habit. You need to do this daily, not just when reading, listening as well.